So only ground you're coming before the court. In these, there can't be a recall of the order.
Yes.
It's the only ground.
Understand? Whether the respondent is suffering from kidney transplantation, he is badly in need of money. Hearing for respondent in this case, my lord.
Lord,
Yes.
the petitioners are not the wife and daughter of the Lord, the first respondent hearing.
Mm.
Lord, they filed application under section 125 for maintenance. Lord, that was ended with RPFC. This honorable court in RPFC.
No, it's the only ground you're coming before the court. In these, there can't be a recall of the order.
Yes.
It's the only ground you're.
It is a one ground.
Mm.
So another ground is Malad. So the judgment which is delivered in the absence of a application without provision of law, let the trial court recall the order.
Yes.
My lord, application is filed. My lord, the reason is gratuity and retirement benefits cannot be attached. The court has passed an unjustifiable order. When the court has understood the concept that the application is filed, so order is passed, unjustifiable order, it has recalled, my lord. That is the question. Whether the respondent is suffering from kidney transplantation, he is badly in need of money.
Yes.
It has exercised its inherent jurisdiction and has passed the order.
No, its submission is there is no provision to review the order or recall the order. That's what he is saying. Only on that ground stay was granted.
That court has inherent power when there is an illegal order. Order is when the court comes to conclusion that unjustifiable orders and illegal orders are passed. Court can restore it, my lord, by recalling the
Under which
earlier.
provision?
Under section
Under which
70 class 2 of CRPC, it can recall.
Which
It 70 class 2, it can recall. Under section 482, it can exercise the power. Though it is limited to High Court, my lord, in the interest of justice. There is no separate provision to review, my lord, for recall. Under section
Any
7.
order, once an order is passed, either to recall or review, what is the power of the court?
My lord, under CRPC, my lord is right, my lord. Under the circumstances.
We are talking about the very same court.
My lord, order itself, earlier order by mistaken earlier order is passed by the court.
That is then that has to be questioned in an appeal. Or any other provision or any other remedy that is
My
available.
lord, in CRPC review provision is not there. My lord is right as far as just the respect is concerned. But there is on face of it, when there is an illegal order is passed, court has looked into and it has.
On the face of it or without the face of it also, procedure is one and the same.
My lord, the respondent is in need of money for kidney transplantation, my lord.
No, please don't go into the merits of the matter. It's only we are on the, when something cannot be done, can't be done.
Yes, that my submission is to that extent, my lord. The order passed
Yes,
is in
please come.
unjustifiable
It
manner.
has to be set aside.
And the liberty to challenge the earlier order
Yes.
as provided under law. Yes, please.
Where is the order now? Order on A number 4.
Order to annexure A minute.
Number 41, my lord. My lord, application to recall is at annexure 84, page number 41.
Yes, I am.
Annexure G. We relied on the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court.
The present writ petition is filed, questioning an order passed in I number 5, in simultaneous 621 of 2021, dated 21/5/2024, whereby the court had recalled the order of attachment of the retirement benefits of the husband. No, where is that?
The
Where is
order
it? This is the next order.
Lord, the earlier order is 7/3/2024. Recalling order at recalled order at Lord, page 41.
Page 41.
Page 41.
IA number 4, whereby
5, IA number 5.
IA number 5.
Page number 41.
It is partly allowed Consequently, the drawing officer of the husband is directed to attach and send rupees 16 lakhs 63,873 or 50% of the retirement benefits of the respondent, whichever is less, to the court after excluding the gratuity amount in the total retirement benefits payable to the husband. Agreed thereby, the wife is before this court. By order dated 7/3/2024, the court had ordered for attachment to the retirement benefits of the respondent. As there is no, it is the case of the husband that there is no provision to attach the retirement benefits of the workman or the respondent. And also, the Calcutta High Court has held that the gratuity is not attachable. On the said grounds, the husband wants this order, earlier order dated 7/3/2024, has to be recalled. The wife had filed her objections to the said petition. Then the court had partly allowed the application, and while allowing the application, the
One
court
clarification.
observed that
Clarification, my lord. The judgment is Honorable Supreme Court judgment. The parties are Calcutta Dock Labor Board and another versus Sandhya Mitra and others.
that the direction to the drawing officer to attach rupees 16,63,873, that is 50% of the retirement benefits after excluding gratuity amount, will meet the ends of justice, and accordingly allowed the application partly. Agree thereby, the wife is before this court. Learned counsel appearing for the wife submits that once an order is passed, the court had no power under the Criminal Procedure Court to recall its order or review the order. And the order that is passed by the court in recalling its order has to be set aside. This court, when the matter came up on 1/7/2024, observing that in a quasi-criminal proceeding, the court cannot recall its own order as a contention of the land counsel for the petitioner, and granted stay of all and permitted the petitioner when the order of the court is suspended in the next date of hearing. Today, the counsel appearing for the respondent submits that the gratuity amount cannot be attached, and considering the mistake committed by the court had passed the present order whereby the order is recalled. It is submitted that he is suffering with kidney issues and is in need of money.
Kidney
And
transplant.
for the petitioner, and granted stay of all and permitted the petitioner when the order of the court is suspended in the next date of hearing. Today, the counsel appearing for the respondent submits that the gratuity amount cannot be attached, and considering the mistake committed by the court had passed the present order whereby the order is recalled. It is submitted that he is suffering with kidney issues and is in need of money.
Kidney transplantation.
Kidney transplant, and he submits that court had rightly passed an order and no grounds are made out seeking interference with said order. Next para, having other counsels on either side, there is a material non-record. The earlier, by order dated 7/3/2024, court had passed an order whereby the retirement benefits of the husband were attached. Now, on a recall application filed by the husband, that order is recalled, and later the 50% of the benefits were directed to be attached, leaving the gratuity amount. The land counsel appearing with the respondent husband has advanced arguments on the merits of it. This court is not inclined to go into the merits. The only issue that falls for consideration before the court, that once an order is passed in criminal miscellaneous number 621 of 2021 by order dated 7/3/2024, whether such an order can be recalled. It is also both the land counsel for the respondent also do not dispute the fact that such a power is not vested with the court to review or recall the order passed. Only on this ground, as such power is not vested with the court to recall the said order and pass a further order, the orders on IA number 5 are set aside. The husband is at liberty to question the order dated 7/3/2024 if law permits, accordingly disposed of. Yes, next.